One of the questions we get asked often is, what is the process like? Well, today I'm going to break down the 6 easy steps that you can do to prepare for your move to Naples or any other community here in Southwest Florida. This is Chelsea Robinson from Keller, Fort Myers, and the Islands. Hi everyone, I am Chelsea Robinson from the Robinson Home Group with Keller Williams, Fort Myers, and the Islands, bringing you another segment of living in Southwest Florida. If you are new to the channel and want to learn everything there is about living and thriving in Southwest Florida, and specifically about Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Naples, and the Islands, and all those little communities in between, then start right now by clicking on that subscribe button, tapping on that little bell, and then you'll be notified of all new content. Our team is constantly helping people from around the country buy and sell their homes here in Southwest Florida, and we absolutely love to help. So if you or anyone you know are even thinking about moving, please be sure you give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even some good old-fashioned snail mail. All of our contact information is below in the comments. However you want to get a hold of us, we are here happy to answer any questions and get that process moving forward for you. Also, don't forget to check out Cape Coral Fort Myers realestate.com, which is updated in real time with all the listings in the Southwest Florida area. And don't forget to stay tuned for how you can get your own Moving to Florida guidebook. All right, let's jump right in. The first on our list is to contact us. Send us an email, Facebook message, call, or text. This will help us schedule a more in-depth call with you and give recommendations for others you may also want to consult with, like a great lender, attorney, or tax professional, because this always leads us into number 2, which is to have that more in-depth call. I personally like video conferences like Zoom or Facebook Messenger so that we can talk face-to-face and meet. It's a non-intrusive and very laid-back way to meet in your own comfort. This is the time we'll go over your wish lists and determine things like neighborhoods to look at, budget, house criteria, and so forth. We will also discuss what you can expect moving forward and lay out a future game plan tailored to your specific personal needs. Number 3, build out a custom property search based on your wants and needs. This way we can stay on top of the homes as they become available and discern which homes are your best matches. There are all sorts of ways to search by square footage, bedroom count, location, if it's waterfront or if it has a pool. And once we have that, we can send you homes that are available in real time. Our technology also has the communication abilities so that you can keep your homes organized and give feedback on the houses you do or don't like. That will help bring us to step number 4, speaking with a lender. There are many home loan programs out there, and it's really important to speak with a knowledgeable lender so that you have clarity which programs fit your specific needs. It's very important to discuss with a lender early on because they can also help overcome potential challenges and help set that budget. Sometimes people hesitate because they are afraid their credit will be dinged, but this is a common misconception. Most of the time, an initial conversation can only be 5 to 10 minutes long, and by starting the conversation with a lender prior to seeing homes, it will give you time to have that pre-approval offer. Having this makes future offers stronger. Step 5, setting up home tour dates. If you are already local, we can block out time to get together to tour properties. If you are currently out of area, we can leverage technology and live tour during video or Facebook conferencing. That way you can get a feel for the home and the area. Sometimes people also plan on trips to come look in person. Before you book one of these, we should discuss it, because I can always provide with you travel agency contacts that I have, and I highly encourage you scheduling an Airbnb in the neighborhood that you're considering for that ultimate immersion experience. Step number 6, getting you moved. There are so many steps in this process, and often it looks like a clock with multiple cogs, all working simultaneously. There's writing a winning offer, inspections, managing disclosures and paperwork, and it can be a lot to navigate, especially while trying to move from a previous home and get packed and book movers and all that work. But this is why we are involved. Our job is to guide you through the actual process, ensuring that all those cogs are moving smoothly. It also means that we take that off your plate so that you can focus on the myriad of other life responsibilities going on. we are providing virtual property and neighborhood tours more than ever. As a born and bred Floridian, we know all the best places for your desired lifestyle and budget. So if you are even thinking about moving to Southwest Florida, please be sure to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us a DM, or even some good old-fashioned snail mail. Reach out to us days, nights, weekends. We are always here to help answer those questions and reach your goals. And stay tuned for another episode of Living in Southwest Florida, a video series full of tips, tricks, and trends for life in paradise.